Hello, my dear young artists. How are we all doing today?
Hi, Percy, we're great.
Wonderful! Today, I have a special treat for you. We're going to learn how to draw a crab. Now, the first step is to draw the crab's body. It's like a big oval. Let's all draw an oval together. Just like this. Great job, everyone! Now, for the next step, we're going to draw the crab's claws. They look like big, curved triangles, one on each side of the oval, like this. Excellent work, my little artists. Now, let's add the legs. Crabs have 8 legs, just like spiders. We're going to draw 4 legs on each side of the oval, sticking out like this. Fantastic! We're almost done. Now, let's add some details. Draw 2 little circles for the crab's eyes on top of the oval, and don't forget to give our crab a big smile. Wonderful work, everyone! Look at all these amazing crabs. Each one is unique and special, just like all of you.
Thank you, Percy. We had so much fun drawing crabs with you.
It was my pleasure, dear friends. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your imagination soar. Keep drawing, keep creating, and never stop being curious about the world around you.